Hey, I'm Chris with Mobility Solutions and AffordableMedicalUSA.com and also LiftChairUSA.com. We try to do as many unboxing videos as we can, reviews as we can. Today we're going to go over unboxing the Atlas Plus. It's in the Viva line, the VivaLift line from Pride Mobility. The model number is PLR 2985M. So this is the Atlas Plus. It's recommended from someone 5'4" to 5'9". We'll also do a video reviewing the product. Right now I just want to show you it's going to come in pretty much like this. It could come in on a pallet. It's about 164 pounds. So you probably need 2 people. On the box it has steps of how to put it together. So 1, 2, 3. But it's pretty simple. We're going to go ahead and unbox this chair. You can use a knife. I'm just using actually a mail opener. I really like these. So when you open this box, there's a little piece of cardboard on top. You're going to have your manual. It's also going to go over different things of how to set it up. And then you'll have your serial number. So keep that. First thing I'm going to do is how I open this box is kind of upside down. So I'm going to flip it around. Well, it did say this box up, so that's why we probably thought it was supposed to be that way, but this is fine. So if you get here, we'll see if it just comes right out for me. I'm going to slide the back out slowly. And then just remove all this wrapping paper. So that's one piece of the chair. You can grab this for me, sir. And now I'm going to slide, once I get all this garbage out of here, and I'm going to slide the chair out. Next thing, there's another part. These are going to be for the sides. We'll show you how that goes on. There's one more. It has it labeled 1 and 2. Huh. Alright, so I'm going to cut the back of this up. slide it out. On this chair, we're gonna show you how the back goes on. If you lift this up a little bit, you'll have some zip ties of your transformer, hand control. So we'll take that out and show you that. Remove these stuff. Just remember that if you get a box bad, damaged, take pictures or just refuse it and we'll ship you another one. So inside this box, or bag, excuse me. This is a battery backup. Comes with the Viva lines. It's nice. It's a lithium ion. It's always going to be charged, so you'll get probably, you look at the manual, about 100 cycles with this. This slides off, it should slide right back on him. See if you can get that slide back on for me, sir. Your remote's right here. That's your power wire for your transformer. Okay, so it's easy. I just didn't know what I was doing. Hand it back to me. Here's your transformer. This plugs in to here. And then this plugs into the wall. And I'll show you where this connects. So here's your remote. So what they do is when you get this, these will be kind of underneath here. Just pull them out and they're color coded. So you shouldn't hook these up wrong. The black one's for the remote. On the remote, you'll see back adjustment, leg adjustment, power headrest, power lumbar, and this is total control. This is an infinite position chair, and then you have a USB charging port. And I believe this has a cell phone charging port on it also, just laying your cell phone in the cup holder, which we'll show you that in the review video. This is the power cord. You just unravel that, keep it under the wood, and you would plug this right into here. So we just plugged they're different color coded, and we're just going to plug this in for the remote. It's black, and that would plug into the wall, and you plug this cord in here. So now we're putting the back on. You run this through. Here's how they do it. It shows you what's right and what's wrong. So I'm just going to grab the back. Before I put the back on, it's numbered 1, and on the other side's 2. On these, they have them numbered 1 and 2. So let's go ahead and put the back on real quick. Alright, so make sure it clips down. And again, it's labeled 1, and on the other side it's 2. So we're going to take the 1, and these just slide right down on it. Okay. you have to. Okay, there it goes. Alright, we sell a lot more golden chairs than Pride. People like these Viva lines. They're a pretty nice chair if you're looking for an infinite position chair. I don't suggest them for someone that's going to be sleeping in it. But if you want dual control of the footrest in the back, it's nice. So just take your time with that. It's alright. It's a little hard. You got to get it to slide down. And that's pretty much putting it together. It took, I don't know, 5-10 minutes. Cell phone charger. Cell phone can just drop right in here to be charged, which we'll go over that in the review. And on the other side, you have a cup holder. It's not an ashtray. They actually have a sticker in there that says not an ashtray. This is the Viva. We'll do the review video over the chair in a minute. Again, 400-pound weight capacity, comes in 3 colors, ships quick. That's the PLR 2985M, the Atlas Plus. Overall width on this chair is 39 inches. Width between the arms is going to be it's not telling me that for some reason. Seat depth seat to floor height is 19.5. Width between the arms is 22. Seat depth is 21. They recommend this for someone 5'4" to 5'9". So check out our review video. If you like our videos, like our video or page or subscribe. We're going to try to do as many as we can. Again, I'm Chris with Mobility Solutions, AffordableMedicalUSA.com and LiftChairUSA.com. Call us if you have any questions at 803-926-2224 or come visit us at 1812 Sunset Boulevard in West Columbia, South Carolina.